Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're looking at something that promises to bring your skincare routine to the next level, Hada Labo Tokyo's ultimate anti-aging facial mask. If you're looking to boost hydration and restore firmness, keep watching to see if this luxurious mask lives up to the hype. And before we jump in, make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss out on expert reviews like this one. Now, let's talk about this product. The Hada Labo Tokyo Ultimate Anti-Aging Facial Mask comes in a single-use 0.7 ounce pack, but it's packed with serious hydration power. It's made from 100% cotton, which is perfect for giving your skin that spa-like feel. The real magic happens with its rich serum, which is designed to deeply hydrate, smooth out fine lines, and restore the bounce and firmness to your skin. It's perfect for anyone looking to tackle the early signs of aging. So, how does it actually perform? First off, the mask fits like a glove. Well, like a mask. It adheres perfectly to your facial contours, making it easy to move around without worrying about it sliding off. Whether you're laying back or catching up on your favorite show, this mask stays put, which is always a huge win. The serum itself is thick and hydrating, and my skin felt like it was drinking up every drop. After 20 minutes of letting it do its magic, my skin felt plumper, and there was a noticeable difference in the firmness. Fine lines around my eyes and mouth seemed less pronounced, which was a pleasant surprise. I did notice that after removing the mask, there was a bit of leftover serum that absorbed nicely into my skin, leaving it feeling smooth and hydrated. I recommend gently patting it in for maximum effect. Now, for the pros. The texture is luxurious, it fits well, and the serum works wonders in terms of hydration and smoothing. Plus, it's a super convenient one-time use mask, so if you're traveling or in need of a quick pick-me-up, this is an easy option. The cotton material feels gentle and doesn't irritate, even for sensitive skin types. On the flip side, the cons are minor, but worth noting. The mask is a single use, which might not justify the price for those who want long-term value from their skincare routine. Also, if you're someone with extremely dry skin, you might need to follow up with an additional moisturizer to lock in that hydration. As for value for money, the price tag feels reasonable considering how well it hydrates and firms the skin in such a short amount of time. However, it may not be the best option for daily use due to the cost per mask. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Hada Labo Tokyo is known for its high-quality products, and their customer support is responsive if you have any questions or concerns about the product. The brand's reputation for handling inquiries is solid, so if you ever run into any issues, they are there to help. As far as product alternatives go, there are plenty of anti-aging masks on the market, but few match this level of hydration with such a convenient, easy-to-use format. If you want something more budget-friendly, there are similar masks, but they might not deliver the same instant results in terms of hydration and firmness. To wrap it up, if you're looking for an occasional boost for your skin, the Hada Labo Tokyo Ultimate Anti-Aging Facial Mask is a great choice. It works beautifully for hydration and offers noticeable firming effects. However, for daily use, it might be a bit much depending on your skincare budget. This mask is perfect for special occasions, a relaxing night in, or a little self-care when your skin needs some TLC. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.